Hello students, our today's topic is what is balance sheet. So what is balance sheet? So balance sheet is a statement of financial position of a business on a particular date, that is the assets and liability of a business on the last day of the year. So to understand the balance sheet, I have noted here the 7 points which you have to keep in mind and always remember whenever the balance sheet is asked. It is a and it is not an account, it's a statement. So balance sheet is not an account, it is a statement. Second point, it shows the financial position of a business on a particular date. Thirdly, it shows assets and liability of the business. Fourth, left hand side of the balance sheet is a liability and capital. So left hand side will appear the liabilities and the capital of the all partners, and the right hand side of the balance sheet will appear the assets and properties of the owners and the partners. Sixth point, the total of assets and the total of liability must be equal. So whatever will be appear on the left hand side will be equally appear on the right hand side. And the last point, the assets of the business are classified into three categories: fixed asset, current asset, and fictitious assets. So have a look of format of the balance sheet. So this balance sheet format, most of the students may be aware of this format, as we have already studied this chapter in 11 standard, but where we study about the sole traders. But here we have an partnership final account. Here the partners will be two or more, but in previous case it was only sole traders, owner of the business, which maintained the books of account. So here the liability side, the liabilities will appear, the capital will appear of the all partners, and the asset side, right hand side, the assets, fixed asset, current asset, and fictitious asset. Have a look in our book. So when you will see the government textbook page number 18, you will find this liability side, the capital. As an example, ABC are partners in the partnership firm. So all the capital contributed by the partner will appear on the liability side here in the column, and the total will be in the outer column. The partner's current account, if the method is fixed, in that case, you have to prepare two separate accounts: partner's capital account and partner current account. If the method is fixed, we have to maintain this account as we have seen in the previous session. So here the balances will be appear of the partner's current account, ABC again. Then general reserve, profit and loss account will be added. If the profit is there, through the current account will be added here. Loan, mortgage, bank loan, loan from the partners, bills payable, bank overdraft, certain creditors, income received in advance, provision for taxes. So liability side, what will appear? The partner's capital, partner's current account if there, and bank loan, whatever the liability, creditors, bills payable, outstanding bill, income received in advance, the income which is received for the next year will be appear on liability side, and any provision we have made for the business reserve will be appear on the liability side. On the asset side, we have fixed asset like land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, equipments, and if adjustment says that there is some depreciation during the year on the land and building, plant and machinery, so that we have to deduct in form of depreciation. We have to calculate it and deduct it. The goodwill, all the assets, premises, leasehold premises, freehold premises, loose and tools, investments, whatever we have invested in other companies or other firms. So that will be appear on the balance sheet asset side. Prepaid expenses. Here, up to here, it was a fixed asset, now the current asset. Prepaid expenses, outstanding income, loans and advances, closing stock, debtors, insurance claim, receivable, bill receivable, cash in hand, and cash at bank. So it's a simple format of balance sheet. So whenever we write balance sheet as on 31st March, last day, or the day when you prepare it, generally it is prepared at the end of year, financial year. And as per the Income Tax Act 1961, the financial year in generally 31st March of every year. Okay, we'll stop here. Just a simple description of the balance sheet is given here. Thank you.